We at Clip Refer Bank Nature Reserve hiking, and I'm a content creator, okay? So yeah, thank you to the host for inviting me.
If I find birthday, if I find birthday, if I find birthday, if I find birthday, time still young. If I find birthday, if I find birthday, if I find birthday, if I find birthday, time still young. 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 If I find
and this is what, like, technology sometimes I feel has stolen away from us, the ability just to connect with each other's energy, because a lot of people are putting fronts out there. They're not what they say they are. But somebody maka like others claim until. But yeah, I've got a love-hate relationship with pictures now, because everybody on pictures say, hey, but live I don't get much compliments, but it's okay. It's live. It's live. In those words, I will ask us to introduce ourselves. I think if it could be a voluntary exercise, it would be fun. I think if we do it the same way that we did it yesterday, like.
It's one and it means a blessing. I'm 43. I turned it last week Friday.
Oh, you're 20.
And then, thanks for the compliment. I'm based in Centurion, Pretoria South. And then I studied media and IT, but I saw that I'm better in media because I can communicate to people, yeah. And then I'm into book spaces. I work the media work, but my love and passion is in the books. Yeah. So anything to do with the books. Talk to me. I'll connect you. Anything to do with whether it's a book launch or it's a book publishing or it's a book reading or whatever. As long as it's a book, the book is there. Sharp. Let's
ngisuka eGB's town ngiyanda Johannesburg. Mina ngithanda isintu sakwaZulu. Ngithanda ukwenza advert like wesintu. Sebenza isintu sami sakwaZulu only, ngiyabonga.
Okay. My name is Cindy, also known as Masisi.
Yes.
I'm an educator by profession.
Oh, teacher.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, that's me.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Jamin.
Good morning,
Yeah. So in a girls' high school. Okay. What else? Oh, okay, guys. Don't be shocked. Most of the time, abantu baba shocked if ngizosho into engizoyisho right now.
Yeah.
Okay, my age. In April this year,
1025.
I'll be turning 51.
What?
Consolation. Yes, mara ngangibiza Ntombi nje ngenzela ngoba ngiyazivela complicated. Accommodate. So mina model.
Okay, sibona ngomzimba.
Hello. Yeah, so ngi model.
Yeah, I'm into media kakhulu. So yeah, ish. Yeah, age sangidisturb. I'm saying angifuni kwazi secret. Okay, mina ngina 34.
You are there. You are
Turn
getting there.
34 last week Saturday. Yeah, so yeah, kakhulu nje. Amakhekhe, engicela amakhekhe. Yeah.
Muthandazile,
Yes,
Lapo from Soweto originally. I'm in marketing, I'm not in media at all, hence my back to the camera. I'm the one who shies away from the spotlight. I kind of like working in the background. So, yeah. That's me.
Hi. My name is Karabo Miss K Sibia.
Miss K.
I am from Katlehong.
Yes.
And I also turned 34 on the 7th of Jan. Jan babies. Alrighty, I am a beauty therapist. I have a small business that I run from home. KS Vital Touch. The best massage therapist. That's our second name. Born. Then I'm also working with a casting agency. I'm a coordinator. I do braids as well. Yeah.
I'm English. I'm joking, guys. I can understand Zulu. My father's a Swati-Ghana, my mother's Scarlet, that's why. Anyway, my name is Levol. I turned 39 on the 8th of January. I want that 6 I'm a mother of a 21 and a 14-year-old child.
Did you say 21?
Yes. That queen knows my son, she's to book him. So yeah, my one son is 21, the other one is 14. I'm a mother of boys, that's some sort of tomboy. I was, as I said, project manager. I want to be a director, that's my ultimate thing. So that's where I'm headed. And I'm going to be a director. I want to tell stories. I love colored stories, but I want to tell all stories. Starting with mine.
I'm not revealing my age. I should have been the last one. I spoiled this thing. Okay, guys, my name is Roxy. I'm a software engineer by profession.
Oh, lovely.
And I'm a producer, strictly hip hop.
Nice.
I'm a producer, I'm a singer, I'm a rapper.
I'm
a DJ, I play any instrument in the church.
Lovely. You play hip hop.
Please leave your numbers as well.
Yeah.
My number
Piano.
I bet my number
I'm
is
a rapper.
067.
Guys,
Yeah, I just leave my number.
Baby, I'll leave your number.
he's a producer.
Okay, and it will end. I had to take dark, so yeah. Thank you.
Hello guys. I go by the name of Zona Zamazizi, which is a beautiful first name.
Your lashes are beautiful.
Please tell them when I said it was sold out, you said never.
Never. You cannot, because I really needed this. I've taken some time for almost 2 years without doing anything. I was going through the most, but now I think I'm in a better space to be around people. Yeah, I'm also a mother of teenagers, guys. Yeah, it's not easy, I must say, guys. It's really not easy raising kids, because I feel like I'm a child myself. I'm still a teenager. So I don't understand how come I raise teenagers, whereas I'm still a teenager. It's nice to be here, guys. I'm so grateful to meet you all, hoping to learn a lot from you. So, ciao!
Hello. Queen E, Ma E.
Yes.
Estelle from Soweto. How old am I? I'm 54. My first one is 30 years.
What?
The second born is 25.
No.
Third born is 90.
I get
No.
I want that. I want to be with you always. She has my idea. I don't know why she didn't know.
Ubani?
Yeah, no, it's nice to be here with you guys. I like hiking, and I'm here because the people Suti. Okay, I'm somebody who likes to be behind the scenes. Yeah, about moving things behind the scenes. So spotlighting the center of attention isn't really my thing, but Masong understand that from the side. The Queen understand it. I'm doing nothing. A total psycho, yeah, but in the media space, I want to find, like, let me just be honest, like, there's something in the industry that is calling me. So I'm listening to that thing. I'm like, what we have because there's something there for me, and I'm that different one, really. Like, for example, I like blood. I have a fascination with blood. I think nosebleeds are really pretty. Like, I just love blood. It's beautiful. I'm also fitness and all these other freaky things. I like Halloween. So now I'm not a murderer.
Yes.
So I'm Viveka, but you can all call me V because my name is very difficult to pronounce. I'm the youngest in the group. I'm 18. Last born. Recently matriculated from National School of the Arts. I'm an actress. I'm a model. I'm an executive director for a modeling agency. And
social media influencer.
Oh yeah, that also. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Pinterest. You can find me anywhere. Hopefully to be on Google soon. And that's me.
Minjani? I'm 21. Yo guys, I don't have anything interesting to say. Because now I'm still trying to find myself and find what I want to do. But I know for sure that it's in media and business also. So I'm still trying to figure myself out.
Hi guys. My name is Bunke. I am 20. No, not 20. I'm 26. Sorry.
That's 2021.
Yeah, 21. But you can be any age.
Who identify as 21?
Yeah, it's 2024. Sorry, I'm 20 and personally, I also think I'm better with background. Ask me to put an outfit for you. I will make a plan.
Thank you.
Ask me to find something on set. Use your phone and detective. I'm FBI. No, like ask me. So I think, I'm also shy. I'm camera shy. I don't like. I'm a little cool. So I think the background would be the best part for me, but also I'm also trying to see which space would be suitable for me and the kind of person that I am. But yeah, essentially that is that.
My name is Lerato Maui. Maui ngu Madlamin Jamagas Jatu Sibani. Buzizi Kelon. Also known as Rakhadi Wama 2000. So I'm very new in politics. And the reason I'm rising is because our country is in a bad space. But also, I want to be able to answer to to Ama 2000 when they ask what did we do? So I want to be able to have an answer. So whether you like it or not, I am here to canvass. Like I said earlier on, even if you do not vote for Rising Zanzi, the important thing is that you go and vote. But if you want to sign as a supporter, I have the forms, everything. We're getting the work done. And I wear many hats. And today I'm really just here because I feel like media is calling me the same way, because you know, you do things and you find it like it's just dragging. I'm into writing a lot. I've written 3 manuscripts and I've never had the bravery to put it out there, but I suppose the universe is probably speaking to us. I'm very energized and excited to be here. I love all of you. I feel like we should be doing this every day. We should be doing this every day. And I am going to reveal my age because I'm very excited about the fact that I'm not a young person in South Africa anymore. So this year I'm turning 36. I'm throwing it back. 18 to 35, I don't qualify. Very excited. Thank you so much.
I'm giving Global Superstar. I'm a musician and I love creating content as well. That's why I have this camera and I'm taking videos and pictures of all of you because you look beautiful. Sharp, ne?
When she says Zimbali, we say
flowers. When I say Zimbali, say flowers. Zimbali, flowers.
Zimbali is actually flowers.
If I find birthday, yummy. I see. If I find birthday, yummy. I see. If I find birthday, yummy. I see. If I find birthday, yummy. Time still young. If I find birthday, yummy. I see. If I find birthday, yummy. I see. If I find birthday, yummy. I see. If I find birthday, yummy.
Abazange bawabo. Abawaziyo. Abazange babo. Amakwizila. Abawaziyo. Abazange.
Amakwinzila.
Okay. The care.
Abazange babo.
Abazange babo. Abazange babo.